Hey guys, today we're going to do windshield repair on 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So it's a brand new vehicle. Unfortunately, there was a rock truck that had some cement bag, I guess, that broke open and resulted in this damage. Now I put the mirror on there already, but I want to get you guys a look-see here at the damage before we work on it. See if we can get that to zoom in better. It's always fun, isn't it? Let's see if we can get it to focus on the back of this here. There we go. Now we can see it nice. So, kind of a half moon, almost bullseye look to it, and the windshield here is tinted. It's also hard to tell that, but I can see it. So with that windshield being tinted, we don't want to use heat on this one. We're going to want to do the entire repair without any kind of heat on the inside so we don't damage that tint. So there's a good look at it. Again, we're going to drill just a little bit right where the rock hit and fill from there. I'll show you each step along the way. Thanks for watching, and sorry, it's always fun trying to get them to focus. Okay, as you can see, I drilled right where the rock hit, and then at this point here I have a little bit of air, and I'll blow that out, get rid of all that crushed glass, all those little fragments. That's going to allow the resin to flow in more smoothly without being obstructed by those little shards, little pieces. All right, so now that that's nice and clean, what we're going to do is set up our bridge assembly. This part here. So this barrel with that seal will go right above where we drilled, and that'll allow us to force resin into the damaged area. The piece in the middle here is just a suction cup that's going to hold it against the windshield, and then on this side we have a stabilizer, again just kind of holding it there, keeping it in the right spot. So let me get this set up and we'll show you the next step. Alright, as you can see, we have the bridge assembly set up. So there's a little bit of sunlight intermittent with the clouds here, so what we're going to do is cover that with a UV shield, and then we'll go ahead and put resin right in the top through the barrel and use the plunger to kind of force that resin down into the damaged area. Again, we want it covered. We don't want the sun or UV rays to get to it just yet, so we're going to set that UV shield up first, put our resin in, let it sit for a few minutes while it fills in, and then we'll be able to expose it to the light. While it's curing, there's really not, while it's filling before it cures, there's not much to see. The UV shade is covering up the area, and then you can see we have the plunger there in place, so it's under pressure, and just allowing that resin to work its way through the damaged area. Then we'll be able to remove the shield and apply some artificial UV light, which we have right here. So I'm not sure if you can see that. It doesn't really reflect well when it's light out. So give it another minute or so here, and we'll be back and I'll show you the next step after we clean it up when we use pit filler. Step most repairmen seem to forget or just don't care to do, but we'll show you that step here in a second. Okay, so once we remove that bridge, what we have left is just the spot where we drilled, right where the rock impacted. There's sort of a divot or a hole there. It's not even with the glass, so as you can see, there's a plastic or mylar square that we put over the top of pit filler. Pit filler we put right on the surface, so it's a thicker resin, a higher viscosity, which is going to hold up against the elements and allow us to seal the repair, if you will. So you can still kind of see it didn't 100% diminish the appearance, but it definitely looks a lot better than it did. So we'll clean up that excess pit filler that's going to be on the surface of the windshield, as you can see. So i.e. it would be like a mound right now. So we'll clean that up with a straight edge razor blade and then polish the finished product, polish that little bit of resin that's filling the hole. So we'll show you that and finish up the video in just a second. All right, finished product. So Let's see if we can get a good look at it here. There we go. And that is as good as it's gonna get. So, if you guys need help with windshield repair or replacement, just give us a call. Mobile Glass, 800-557-3078. Thank you for watching.